Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and this is tutorial number 2 for classes in Python. As in the previous tutorial, we have discussed that what are classes, what are objects, what are data member, data functions, how classes are defined, and we took the reference of this particular diagram to get better understanding of the classes and its attributes and behavior. If you haven't watched that particular video, please go and do watch that video, then come again here, right? Now, as in the previous tutorial, I have been introduced about access modifier that to be public, private, protected. And I have also said that we can't access the private modifier outside the class. So that is true. We can't access private data members outside the class. But if we want to, how can we do that? So we can do that by using getter and setter method. So in this particular class object, you can see I'm able to access the speed variable, right? That is 40. But if I just make it to private, then I can't access it because this speed data member is hidden to the outside world. But if I need to access it, I can use getter and setter method, that is get speed, and I need to put the self while defining a function as an argument because it's a pointer to the this particular object of the class, and it is binding all the data members and data functions together and is a reference to all those things, right? So I'll be just returning self dot speed, right? Now if I just do that is get speed, now as you can see I'm able to get the speed. And also if you need to update it also, you can just do set speed, and the same thing I'm going to give a value it here, and that would be updating our speed by let it be with value, right? And I'll be giving Honda dot get speed, set speed, and here I'll be giving 60. Okay, I need to run first. Set speed. Now again do the get speed method, and here you can see it is updated, right? So this is the basic functionality of get speed, getter and setter method, and how to access the private data members out of the class, right? So I hope this concept is clear to all of accessing the private data members outside the class using getter and setter method. So thank you so much for joining me here. I appreciate your time being here. Thank you so much.